Today we will consider how to make transparent image in MS Paint. So first of all, download any transparent image from internet. Consider only taking PNG images. Now right click the image and select edit button. Next step is we have to select the portion of this image. For that, first of all, from the menu section you have to click select, and then from the image either you press Ctrl+A, or by using your mouse clicking on the top of the portion and then dragging down to the lowest portion of the image, so that complete image will be selected. After doing selection of this image, next step is click on the select menu and click transparent selection. Take your mouse cursor over the image and right click on the image. Now you can see the copy option. Here you have to select copy. If copy paste are not available in your Windows, then there is a solution for that also. Open control panel, double click on the display icon, click on settings tab. Here set the color pattern option to setting greater than 16 colors. Here what we have done is we have copied the transparent portion of this image. Now go to another image in the MS Paint. Here I have taken an image with a black background. Now right click on this image. Yes, you can click the paste. Now only the transparent portion of the first image is copied over this black image. For saving this image from the keyboard you can press Ctrl+S. Always consider saving this image in PNG format. Now what's the limitation of MS Paint is that it is not possible in MS Paint as we do in Photoshop or GIMP that select the particular portion of the image and that can be saved with the transparency applied. It is not possible in the case of MS Paint. You can select the transparent portion of an image into another MS Paint image. On the second image you can copy paste the transparent portion of the first image. The background of the second image will be applied on the first image and the entire total will be saved. Yes, more options can be done in Paint 3D. I have created another video, the link in the I button and description. You can check that. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like, share the video. Thank you.